Hi guys, it's Miss Hernandez here again with another cooking video. Today I have a special guest. Some of you may know her. Come here, Jenna.
Hey guys.
Before we get started, please remember, ask an adult for permission and supervision. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Pull your hair back and away from your face and roll up your long sleeves. You will need choice of bread, at least 8 slices, Nutella, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 medium eggs, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, butter, a mixing bowl, a large plate, a hand mixer, butter knife, rolling pin, cutting board, and a pan. Now let's get started. So you first will want to trim the crust from your bread. And then you'll have a bowl. Keep a bowl for your garbage. Yeah, that way you'll have less mess to clean up later. And you'll do that to all of your 8 slices of bread. So once you have them all cut up, you're going to want to flatten them. Make them super thin. If you do not have a roller, it's okay. Use a cup how Jenna's doing here. Get them super thin. And that's how thin you want it. And you'll do that for all of them. Okay, now that you're done rolling all of them, you want to spread the bread with Nutella. Make sure you put it all over the bread, but not quite to the edges of the bread. So it'll be like about half a tablespoon. There you go. Perfect. Once you have that, you're going to roll it up. Perfect. And you're going to do the same for all of them. Okay, so once you're done rolling all your toast, your bread, you're going to want to grab your mixing bowl so we can whisk our wet ingredients. You're going to need 2 medium eggs, you're going to need 1/4 cup of milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. Perfect. And then you're going to whisk. If you don't have a hand mixer, that's fine. You can also use a fork. Once you are done, you're gonna put it to the side and we're gonna move on to our dry ingredients. You'll wanna do 3 tablespoons of sugar. So the big one. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, and then you'll mix it. And you can just use a fork to mix it a little. Perfect. Okay, once you have all your stuff ready to go, you're gonna move over to the stove top. Please make sure you have an adult help you with this. And turn your oven to a medium high so your pan can get warm. Once your pan is hot, you're going to lower the temperature to about a 6 or a 7. And you're going to start melting your butter. Okay, you're going to move over and roll your bread into the wet mix. And then be careful when you put it in the stovetop. If you need help, ask an adult. Perfect. And you're going to do this for all of them. You should hear sizzling. Okay, you're going to give them a few minutes and check them to make sure they're golden brown before you turn them. Perfect. Now you're going to turn them on their side and do that for the rest. And you're going to do this until all sides are nicely golden brown and toasty. So once you have them all nicely golden brown, like this, on all the sides, you're going to bring it onto your dry ingredient and roll it. Get a nice coat on them. Move it to your plate, and you're going to repeat that with all of them. Okay, when they're done, they should look like this. Okay, now she's going to try them and see how they taste.